Hey y'all, Uncle Michael coming to you from the 96 truck stop. I'm in Kentucky right now, y'all. And this little place has been a little resting area, a holding area for me, so that I can make it to the receiver, which is about 30 miles away from here. So I am here, and there's 64 over there, Highway 64 West over there. How y'all doing? Good to see you. Yeah, it's been a slow roll, but we're gonna get it done. We are gonna get it done. Talked to a worker in there. He said this building, or this company here, has been here for like 60 years. 60 whole years, y'all. But it looks like it's in a pretty heavy industrial park. That's all I've been seeing is the trucks coming through here. Trying to get a little rest. They got a maintenance area here too, so that's good. So how y'all doing? They got a little restaurant in there also. Looks like the food is pretty good. I got a little bit of breakfast, 2 biscuits and 2 sausage patties, and I bought some Mayhaw jelly from Mark's Melon Patch in Georgia. So it was delicious. Yes, it was delicious. So show you a little bit more. Scale over there does not work. That says welcome to Winchester, Clark County, on the water tower over there. Okay, this is what I've been looking for. And I wasn't gonna even try to record today, but look at what I have found here. Hold on. There it is. Trailer washouts. But I wonder where you turn to. It says turn here. They got me on this one. Got me on this one. There we go. There go Mabel. So the idea is to try to maintain your clock as much as you can. That's my idea anyway. So I got here early. Don't deliver until tonight at 10. So I'll leave here about 8. Make sure I get there on time. And then we'll go from there. But I don't know where this washout is. I may have to go back inside and ask about that. But this is not one of those parking areas that, I don't know about nighttime, but it's a parking area. Get yourself some rest, some good food to eat. And then make your delivery. So the way it seems like could happen tonight is that I could come back here. Yeah, I could come back here tonight because my pickup is 5 hours away. My next pickup supposedly is 5 hours away, and I don't pick up until noon tomorrow. So, I gotta think that thing through there. All right, y'all. Just wanted to let y'all know where I am, what I'm doing. As usual. But I'm safe. And yeah, I'm safe and I'm good. So how y'all doing? Appreciate all of y'all. I'm gonna go in here and do some more paperwork and figure out where I gotta go on this next load. So y'all take care of yourself and each other. Love on yourselves and each other. Do nothing good for somebody. Make somebody smile today. And I will talk to you soon. I sure will. I love you. There ain't a thing you can do about it now. I promise you that. I promise you.